In this video, I am going to show you how to sort email messages in Outlook. Sorting your email messages in Outlook can be greatly enhance your productivity and efficiently in managing your inbox, whether you prefer to organize your emails by sender, recipient, date size, or other criteria. At the top of your inbox, select the Filter button. Click on the Filter button will open a drop-down menu with various filtering and sorting options. Within the filter menu, look for sorting options such as Sort By. Here, you can choose how you want your emails to be organized. Common sorting options include by sender, by recipient, by date, and by size. And that's it, guys. Sort your emails as you want, and it's simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.